Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network, and now I'm going to do today I'm going to do an unboxing for this Milux infrared gas cooker MSS-8122IR. So this is the box, and let's see what's on the box, the details. It's 1 year warranty, but in website they give 13 months, more 1 month of warranty. 2.8 kW. I don't know what's kW. Okay, on the side. So no knob. They don't give, there's one knob. Yeah, they give one knob. Okay, so let's unboxing. Manual. Okay, and the warranty card. Customer service. Okay. So this is the item. Sorry, my head. Here's the product. They give this also. With 4 screws for the stand. Okay. Okay. Let's check the details. It's let's see the sound. The sound, okay. On the side, and the burner. The ring. Let's see what's below. Just regulator. The knob and they have to hold this. Let's look closely. Okay. Now, how does it look if we tear off all the plastic? So this is how it looks. And yeah. So let's install the below one. Oh, it needs screw. So there's hole here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So just use a screw. So put in the screw inside, and then you have to screw here. Okay. So I don't prepare a screw now. I'm going to do it later. So let's see lah. As you know, how does it look? And this is the unboxing for this Milux infrared gas cooker. Thank you for watching. I continue a bit. So this is how to screw the stand. So if you can see this 1, 2, 3 is a point, and then this is the point, the fourth point for to install the stand. So this is a screw. There's a hole. So put in and screw it there. Here. Okay, screw done. And one last thing, I forgot to mention for the what's good with because some of the brand like or mostly Malaysian brand, they don't have online registration, but Milux, this one, have online registration for the warranty. So if you can see here, it's online.milux.com.mywarranty. So here to register. And here is the product, infrared gas cooker. So this is a product in their website selling for 169, but I get in Shopee, the one that I bought, this one is only 97 ringgit. Okay, thank you for watching.